In this video, I'll show you how to install the Shein desktop app on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Open Google Chrome or any web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type shein.com and press enter. Once the website loads, make sure you're logged into your Shein account. Now, go to the top right corner of the Chrome browser and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Cast, Save, and Share, and then click Install Page as App from the submenu. A pop-up window will appear on your screen. Click the Install button to continue. After that, the Shein app window will open automatically. You can also check your desktop where the Shein app icon will be created automatically. You can now double-click the icon anytime to open Shein directly without opening your browser first. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.